What if you could build a home that's nearly indestructible, costs a fraction of traditional construction, and comes with a workshop most people only dream about? Today, I'm taking you inside the ultimate Quonset Barndominium, and by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why thousands of people are ditching conventional homes for these curved steel giants. If you're into smart building, unique homes, or just love a good workshop setup, smash the like button and subscribe right now, because we drop content like this every week. And stick around to the end, because I'm going to break down real costs, real challenges, and show you the workshop build-out that honestly blew my mind. What is a Quonset Barndominium? A Quonset hut is a prefabricated structure made from corrugated galvanized steel, shaped in a half-circle arch originally designed for the U.S. military in World War II. They were built to be fast to assemble, durable, and cheap. Fast forward to today, and people are turning these things into full-blown luxury homes, combined with living quarters and a dedicated workshop space under one roof. That combination is what we call a Quonset Barndominium. And honestly, the concept is genius. The structure and why it works. The arch design of a Quonset isn't just for looks. That curved shape is one of the strongest structural forms in engineering. It naturally distributes weight and handles wind, snow loads, and even seismic activity better than a lot of traditional box frame buildings. Most Quonset kits come in steel gauges ranging from 14 to 22 gauge, and the better manufacturers use galvanized or galvalume-coated steel, which resists rust for decades. Spans typically range from 20 feet wide all the way up to 100 feet or more, and you can run them as long as you need. Now, I want to be honest here. The steel shell alone is not a finished home. That's where a lot of people get surprised by the real cost and complexity. You're still going to need insulation, interior framing, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, flooring, and finish walls. The shell is just the beginning. The floor plan layout. For the ultimate Quonset Barndominium with a workshop, here's a layout that actually makes sense. A 50-foot wide by 80-foot long structure gives you 4,000 square feet to work with. A smart split would be roughly 2,000 to 2,400 square feet of living space on one end, and 1,600 to 2,000 square feet of workshop on the other, with a firewall or insulated partition wall separating the two zones. The living side can include an open concept kitchen and living room, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a utility/mudroom, perfect for transitioning between home life and shop life. The workshop side is where it gets exciting, and we'll get there in a minute. Insulation, the most critical decision. Here's where I see people make the most expensive mistakes. Steel conducts heat and cold like crazy, so insulation in a Quonset is not optional. It's everything. The most popular and effective method is closed-cell spray foam applied directly to the interior of the steel panels. It creates an air barrier, a vapor barrier, and an insulation layer all in one. Our values of R20 to R30 are achievable, which is solid. The downside? Spray foam is expensive. Expect $3 to $7 per square foot, depending on your region and thickness. Rigid board insulation with a secondary interior wall is another option and can be more budget-friendly, but it's more labor-intensive and you lose some interior width. Don't skip this step or cut corners here. A poorly insulated Quonset is miserable in both summer and winter. The workshop build-out. Okay, here's what most people are really here for. A 1,600 to 2,000 square foot workshop inside a Quonset is an absolute dream. And here's why. The arch gives you serious vertical clearance in the center. On a 50-foot wide Quonset, you're looking at roughly 25 feet of height at the peak. That means you can hang overhead lighting rigs, run a ceiling-mounted gantry crane or shop crane rail, install a car lift, and still have room to move around a full-size truck. For the ultimate setup, consider including a 10 to 14-foot roll-up door on the workshop end for vehicle access, a dedicated electrical subpanel with 200 amp service, compressed air lines run through the walls, a floor drain with an oil separator if you're doing vehicle work, workbench runs along the sidewalls, and overhead storage lofts taking advantage of that arch height. Epoxy-coated concrete floors complete the look and make cleanup a breeze. Real costs. Let's be honest. I'm not going to sugarcoat this. You'll see people online claim you can build a Quonset Barndominium for $50,000. That might be possible in very rural areas with heavy DIY labor and zero finishing. For a fully finished, livable, Ultimate build? You're looking at a more realistic range. The steel Quonset kit itself, for a 50 by 80 runs roughly $25,000 to $45,000, depending on the manufacturer and specs. Foundation: a reinforced concrete slab for that footprint will typically run $20,000 to $40,000. Insulation: interior framing, drywall, and finishes can run $60,000 to $100,000 plus. Mechanical systems: electrical, plumbing, HVAC, another $40,000 to $70,000. Workshop equipment and fit-out depends entirely on what you want, but budget $15,000 to $50,000 for a solid setup. All in, a truly finished, high-quality Quonset Barndominium with a workshop is going to run $160,000 to $300,000 or more, but compare that to a traditional custom home of similar square footage in most markets, and you're still coming out ahead, often significantly. Permits and challenges. Be aware, not every county or municipality allows Quonset structures as primary residences. Some areas have aesthetic or zoning restrictions. Always check local codes before you buy a kit. Some states are very Quonset friendly, particularly in the rural Midwest, South, and Mountain West. Others can be a headache. Also, getting a conventional mortgage on a Quonset Barndominium can be tricky. Some lenders treat them like manufactured homes. Construction loans and land/home combo loans tend to work better. Talk to a lender who has experience with non-traditional builds before you commit. The Quonset Barndominium with a workshop isn't for everyone. If you need a cookie-cutter neighborhood home with HOA approval, this probably isn't your path. But if you want durability, flexibility, massive usable space, a killer workshop, and a home that genuinely stands out, this build style is hard to beat. The key is going in with realistic expectations, doing your homework on insulation and local codes, and working with experienced contractors who have actually built these before. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. Subscribe if you want more deep dive content on barndominiums, alternative builds, and workshop setups. And hey, share this with someone who's been thinking about building their dream home. It might be exactly what they need to see. I'll see you in the next one.